Do you remember this broken microwave from my client? The problem right there was with the broken magnetron, so I ordered the new one magnetron. I spent $36 for this one.
Thing have to be located somewhere right here, so we just need to remove these screws and right here and all of them and probably this part. Here we go. So this item, there is magnetron. We got exactly the same model. You have to be extremely careful with this condensator. So we need to replace this diffuser. We have to put the sensor right here. Okay, what we got? Ooh, yeah, it's work. Perfect. So this baby goes in the Facebook market for $150.